Beer Champ barbecuers. Today we're doing up Golumpki. A different style, but on the Weber Kettle in a Dutch oven. This is going to be awesome. And doing up some more of the build here on the barbecue shanty. Yes, yes, yes. It's coming along, coming along. Got another little wall. And the slot for the ventilation fan is there. And yeah, I'm little time with a lot of work going on in retail, you know how it is. Anyway, we're gonna get this together, buttoned up before the winter flies. It's almost Halloween. Cheers, folks. We're using half pork and half burger. So you're gonna blend that up, and that's gonna be your main deal. Inside, leafy, awesome cabbage. You're just gonna layer this like lasagna, and we're gonna cook it in the Dutch. Or in the in the Dutch, in the Weber Kettle with the slow and sear. So it's like an oven, but we're gonna get a little smoke on it, and then yeah. Bang. is on the Weber Kettle. I just tossed in some hickory chunks to get some smoke on that cabbage. The top layer of cabbage will absorb some of that smoke, much like a cabbage bomb that I did last year for St. Patty's Day. It's really good stuff. Try it out if you've never tried it. And this is going to go for about half hour at 375, and it's smelling delicious. All right, folks. We are coming up on 10 minutes on this cook. I just want to check it out. And because the smell is amazing and the temp is holding great. You can do anything in a Weber Kettle. You know? It's so amazing. Let's check her out. Yep. Golumpki tonight. Very easy to do. Now, Golumpki is an easy meal to make, but usually you individually wrap them into these little, just one leaf, put all that same mixture that I used here, and then you wrap that up into little individual hunks. They call them pigs in blanket or whatever the heck. But it's Golumpki, and it's good. I don't know. I love cabbage, so if you're not a fan of cabbage, you might not like this dish. But either way, we're hanging out, having a beer. Let's have a good time. And this barbecue shanty is coming along. It's almost done. For the winter anyway, buttoned up. It'll never be done, right? You know, you can always add here and there, this and that. It is what it is, and it's always fun to work on something. So, this is still riding out. Like I said, 375, about a half hour or so. We're going to take that Dutch oven. We're going to flip it upside down, and we'll keep it on the griddle part, and then we'll serve it up that way. And, yeah. Smells amazing. You guys, go get yourself a beer, and we'll be back here in a minute. Awesome. Flipped it. It landed perfect. And look at that. Oh. Now, just add some tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese, let it rest for a little bit, cut into it, serve it up. That was awesome. I'm so glad it slid out of that Dutch. Heck yeah. Oh, boy. Anyway. I'm sure this is going to be amazing. I'm going to let this set for a little bit before I add the sauce, because it still looks a little moist. So before I add some more moisture to it, I'm going to let that evaporate just a touch. So, a couple gulps of beer, add the tomato sauce and then some Parmesan cheese, bring it in, cut it up. Everybody's going to be happy. Happy, happy. Golumpki in a Dutch oven on a Weber Kettle out in the barbecue shanty. You can do anything in there, boy. Ha! Golumpki is ready to rock. smells amazing. Yeah. I don't think you can go wrong if you do that dish. Golumpki. It's delicious. Get creative with it. You can do anything. Add as much stuff as you want. Keep it basic, simple, whatever. Man, it's awesome. It really is. Yep. Golumpki, folks. Hell yeah. That's rocking. Success. Made Golumpki on the Weber Kettle. I've never seen anybody do it that way, but it came out awesome. So I'm going to go in with the fam, see what everybody thinks. Cheers. And I will see you guys on the next cook. This, by then, will be completely the shanty. Wrapped in plastic here. Clear plastic so I can see out all winter. And, yeah. It's coming together. It's awesome. It's going to be a great winter. And, yeah, lots of things to do. If this stays waterproof, I'll be adding some cast iron on the walls and stuff, but we'll see how that works out. First, get the ventilation up there in that spot to get the smoke out of here so I don't die. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you on the next video. And like I said, I'll leave all the trains. Always click record. There's a train, there's a loud motorcycle, there's a car that's damn near broken down, but somehow it still advances down the road with the loudest exhaust in the world, smoking, getting 3 miles to the gallon, but they're getting by. Anyway, cheers, folks.